What's going on, everybody? Working on the Nissan 2014 Pathfinder. Going to be taking out the door panel. What you're going to be doing is along the side, you're going to be popping these out, but first you want to go in here, pop out this piece to let and remove the screws. Once these screws are removed, we're going to go and remove the screw here right behind the handle. Once we remove that screw, we're going to go here and pop this up for easy access to when we remove the panels. So we're going to go around the panel. Alright, so once you get under, you'll be able to pull these doors off its connections. Everything should pop up, and then you're going to lift it. That way, and then you'll be able to take it out just like that, all in one piece. Like and subscribe.